Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be recreating one of my subscribers' makeup looks. I just want to do different ways to give back to you guys, to show appreciation to you guys, because you guys support me and I just really appreciate the support and love that you guys always show me. So I decided to go ahead and recreate a few of your guys' look. I'm gonna make this into like a series. I don't know how many looks I'm going to do, but I'm gonna recreate a few in my head. So I asked you guys on Twitter to tweet me your makeup looks. If you do not follow me on Twitter, girl, you have to, because I update you guys on Twitter. I let you know what videos I'm thinking about. You know, I just do a lot of updates on Twitter, so if you don't follow me on Twitter, I mean, you should. And a few of you, actually a lot of you tweeting me your makeup looks. You guys are super talented. Like, I'm shooketh. Okay, shooketh. So it was really hard to choose, but this person always shows me love. I appreciate her so much. I'm going to be recreating Alana's makeup look. I will flash a photo in the screen. She was actually inspired by a person I already follow, Morgan, but Morgan's name is Je Definitely Feel, so I will put her picture in the screen as well. Go ahead and follow Alana on Instagram. I will link her Instagram down below, and I will also link Morgan's Instagram below because Alana was inspired by Morgan. I follow Morgan. I love Morgan. She is super talented. Alana is super talented. You all are just super talented. And you know, it's springtime. I wanted to do a colorful look. I was like, oh my gosh, girl, I have to recreate this look, okay, because you really brought it, okay? It's a really beautiful look, so I'm going to go ahead and recreate that today and show you some love, show you some appreciation. I appreciate you so much, Alana. Thank you for the support that you always show me. I'm going to go ahead and recreate this look. I hope I do a good job, okay? I hope I make you proud. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing me recreate Alana's makeup look, one of my subscribers, one of the home girls, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I went ahead and did one eye off camera. She is vibrant. She is popping. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Neutrals palette. I know y'all, for the first time in a long time, my nails are not done. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, do not come for me. I'm gonna take this shade right here with the Sigma E30 brush, and that is going to be our brow bone highlight. Alana has large lid space. Like, she got it going on. Oh wait, I'm tripping, you guys. Scratch that. I have to prime my lids. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer, and that is going to be our lid primer so our colors can be vibrant and poppin'. Alright, now we're going to highlight our brow bone. Alright, so it looks like Alana has like a magenta shade as the transition color. So we're going to go into the Morphe 35B palette. Okay, this is, besides the BH Cosmetics palette, this is the only palette I'll be using. We're going to go into this magenta shade right here with a Morphe M518 brush, and we're going to work that into our crease. First, I'm just going to pack it on so we can get that color payoff. And since our base is wet, I don't want to go straight into blending. I just want to pack on the color first. And now we're just going to buff this in. You build up the pigmentation so much quicker when you don't set your base. I'm going to switch over to the Morphe M433 just to diffuse the edges of this magenta shade. Alright, now I'm going to go into this violet purple shade with a Morphe R39. Ooh, girl, flakes everywhere. And we're going to work this directly into the crease. So I'm just going to build up this color payoff directly into my crease. Alright, now I'm just going to go back in with the Morphe M433 and just blur out these edges. This shadow is not trying to stick like on my brow bones. I swear, it's just like acting as a repellent. And we're still taking a Morphe E28 just to further blend out the edges, because I'm just not feeling this blend, girl. What is going on? I swear I do this eye always better. Ooh, do you see this though? I mean, I could blend it a little. You know what? It's okay. Y'all know. Anyways. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer. And we're going to cut our crease into like a semicircle shape so we can lay down our lid colors so they can be popping. And I'm using the Morphe M508. Alright, now it's time to start laying down some lid colors. So first I'm going to go into this orange shade. Same brush because I really like how small and precise this brush is. And we're going to pop that into the inner corner of our eye. Or like the first fourth. The first fourth? Yeah, I think that's what it is. And I'm really just going to pack it on. Ooh, girl, she vibrant. Packing on the color just literally takes 2 seconds when your lid is wet, girl. Okay, let's move on to the yellow. The yellow isn't that vibrant, so you really got to work to build this one up. But we're going to go into the yellow shade. And we're going to first pack that right next to the orange, and then we will blend. We just want to get that color payoff first. Yellow is like a weak color, okay, so it'll literally diminish and disappear and evaporate to the air real quick. So we got to really pack her on and build her up. If you guys know of like a really poppin' yellow shadow, like who sells the best one, let your girl know. Alright, now I'm just going to begin slowly blending the yellow into the orange. Since orange is a more of a stronger color, I'm not really going to add more orange. I'm just going to really work this yellow on top of the orange, because if I add the orange on top of the yellow will just disappear, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, we're going to move on. We're just going to perfect the blend a little later. We just want to place these colors down, and then we will perfect the blends between the two colors. But in between, I just wipe my brush on, you know, like a paper towel just to get the color off so I can keep reusing it. Next, we're going to use green. The green in this palette is actually really vibrant and really nice. So we're going to take this green right here and pack it on right next to the yellow. But again, we got to be careful because since the green is so poppin', it'll wipe out the yellow. So we got to be very careful not to overlap it too much on the yellow. And now I'm just going to go back into that yellow and blend it into the green. This honestly reminds me of a look I did way in the beginning of my channel. If you guys remember this look, I'm going to insert it into the screen. It was a carnival inspired makeup look. This reminds me it just dawned on me like I really did a look similar to this, but way back. I can't believe I thought I was talented back then. Like I really can't believe you guys followed me then. My makeup was trash. My makeup was trash, girl. Alright. I don't know what's up with this green. I mean, it let me down on this side. I don't know, like this side always be tripping. Okay, anyways, let's move on. I'm going to take this blue right here and put that on the last fourth of this cutout. We don't have to worry about it being in the line. We just want the cutout. We just cut it out, you know, so the colors can like be popping. Because if we didn't, the colors could turn muddy real quick. Okay, now I'm just gonna go into this deeper, it's kind of like an indigo purple blue with a Morphe R41 brush. And we're going to blend that into the outer corner and like deepen it up where the blue is. To sort of get rid of this like cutout line just on the outer corner. This low key is coming together. My subscribers are so talented, I'm shook. My homegirls, y'all talented, okay? I just want y'all to know that. Because this look is low-key challenging me. Okay, now we're moving on to the low-key hard part. I examined her photo and she made this gold flaky accessory. Very sharp, but you know, I kind of like this abstract looking design that I did off camera, so we're just going to mimic it. So I'm going to use gold flakes. I got these off of Amazon. They will be linked down below. Don't you worry, okay? I'm going to be using the Too Faced glitter glue. I just like this because it's not like, oh my gosh, my nails are so busted. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. But anyways, I'm going to use this Too Faced glitter glue because it's not really like glue. You know, it's kind of like, it has a consistency of like a primer. So it's not like super messy. And we're also going to be using this bent eyeliner pencil from Tarte to give me some precision. So it can go from thick to thin, so it sort of tapers out. I just really like it. It just looks super abstract, super dope. So I'm just gonna place a little bit of adhesive on here. And these gold flakes stick like very easily. I'm just gonna stick it like so. And then just start building up my design from here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and lashes off camera, do the rest of my face, and then we will come back and finish off the lower lash line. Okay, so I purposely did not set the concealer like right here under my eye, so our colors can be popping and vibrant. Okay, so let's finish off the lower lash line. I'm just going to take this Luxie Beauty 231 brush, and so I didn't set this concealer over here either, so I'm just going to like blend out this line just a tad. And then I'm kind of gonna work like out of order. I don't know, it just kind of like made sense to me in my head. So I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It comes in their palettes. I'm going to take this pink right here, and we're gonna pop that onto the lower lash line in the center. Okay, that's on. I'm gonna just use that same brush, go into the same purple shade that we used, and work that into the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Morphe R41 brush and curve the outer corner, you know, like so, because we don't want that harsh line. And then we're going to go back into that orange shade. Oh my gosh. And we're going to pop that over top of the pink in the inner corner. It kind of makes like a sherbet shade. Now I'm just going to go into the BH Cosmetics palette, take this like champagne shade, and I'm just going to pop that into our inner corner to finish off the eye. Because I always feel incomplete without an inner corner highlight. Okay, let me go apply some mascara, and then we will close out this video. Wow, you guys, this is so vibrant and so beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me recreating a subscriber's makeup look. Alana's Instagram will be linked down below if you want to go ahead and go check out her looks. She's very talented, very beautiful. I appreciate her so much. I appreciate you, Alana. Also, Morgan's Instagram will also be linked down below because that's who Alana was inspired by for this look, so I'm recreating a recreation. If you enjoyed this video and this look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want me to go ahead and continue this series and do a few more looks from my subscribers, from you guys, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed this kind of video. Tweet me on Twitter, show me your makeup looks, because maybe you could be a look I recreate. I just want to show you guys some love, show you guys some recognition and appreciation, because I appreciate you guys. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you join my channel, join my family, become one of the home girls. We chill over here, we real cool. If you like extra makeup looks, if you like color, if you like basically extra, you know, I'm an extra queen. We are extra colorful queens on this channel. So if you enjoy that kind of content, I mean, subscribe to my channel, tap that bell, and join my family. Alright, before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Rosa Mia Caballero. Ugra, hope I pronounced your name right. You are always showing me love. You're always one of the first people to comment on my videos. I appreciate you so much, Rosa. Thank you for the support you continuously show me, the love you always show me. If you would like an appreciation shout out one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, okay? I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.